Hello everyone, once again welcome to this platform GRF Vibes. Today we will discuss paper 1 answer key of GSET which was held on 1st December, and this is not an official key, it is only tentative answer key. So if you feel any confusion in any question, you can freely write your opinion in comment box. Without any delay, we will start this session. I will tell you all 50 questions answered directly. So accordingly you can match your answers and you can calculate your marks, and don't forget to write your total score along with your subject name. Okay, let's start with the first question. Which one among the following is the common language for AI? So right answer is Python language. Question number 2. Regarding ICT based governance, which of the following statement is correct? So increasing transparency is an advantage of ICT based governance. Totally correct option. And e-governance is related to automation of administrative process, and due to ICT based governance workforce get reduced. अगर इस क्वेश्चन में वर्कफोर्स के पास में यहाँ पे मैनुअल वर्कफोर्स लिखा होता देन इट वुड बी मोर अप्रोप्रिएट, बट इट्स ओके, इतनी गलतियां चलती हैं. सो राइट आंसर इज 1, 2, 3 ऑप्शन ए. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 देखिए, 3 देखिए. Which among the following are the national coordinator for SWAMS? So IIT Kharagpur is not the right answer, but UGC, CEC, IIM Bangalore and NIOS, these are the national coordinators for SWAM. The right answer is 2, 3, 4 and 5, option B. Now question number 4. Given below are two statements. Statement first, SWAM is India's own MOOC platform which offer free online course is almost all the discipline to student learner. Correct. And Coursera, Udemy, Udacity, Iversity are other MOOC platforms. Both statement first and statement 2 are true. Option A is the correct answer. ठीक है. Now question number 5. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and second is reason. Touch screen is considered as both input and output device, and reason touch screen can send data and receive data at the same time. So both statements are totally correct, and R is the correct explanation of A. So right answer is option A. Okay, now let's see question number 6. NEET examination. Which agency in India conduct NEET examination for admission into medical college? So National Testing Agency. ICSSR stands for Indian Council of Social Science Research. Option B is the correct answer for the 7th question. Now see question number 8. Which institution is scored rank 1 according to NIRF ranking 2024? So IIT Madras is the right answer. NIRF stands for National Institutional Ranking Framework. Option B. Question number 10. Name of the centers established to develop competencies among faculty members in higher education for better teaching, learning, research and academic learning, research and academic leadership for effective implementation of NEP 2020. The right answer is Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya Training Center. Question number 11. For this question, right answer will be south direction. Okay. Question number 12. Column A and column B. Pramana, Pramata, Prameya and Prama. So Pramana will be matched with the means of validity. 1, 2 and 2A से मैच होगा, 3D से and 4C से. ठीक है. So Pramata the subject who knows, and Prameya the object of knowledge, and Prama the resultant valid knowledge. So right answer will be option B. Then question number 13. The ratio of the number of students studying in school A, B, C is 6, 8, 7 respectively. If the number of students studying in each of the schools is increased by 20%, 15% and 20% respectively, what will be the new ratio of the number of students in school A, B, C? The right answer is 18 ratio 23 ratio 21. Question number 14. The average of this is 15.17. This will be average. 15 question. The bacteria count in a certain culture colony increase from 1000 to 4000 in 3 days. What was the average percentage increase per day? The right answer will be 58.7, option C. Now let's see question number 16. Which of the following is not a characteristics of basic research? So knowledge finding are replicable, generalization of knowledge claims, concept and procedure of knowledge creation are publicly accessible. अगर हम देखें तो इन तीन ऑप्शन का एक ही मतलब है, बट दिस विल बी द राइट आंसर बिकॉज क्वेश्चन में नोट पूछा गया है. रिसर्च नॉलेज इज नॉट ओनली ह्यूमन सेंट्रिक. ओके, सो ऑप्शन डी इज द राइट आंसर. Question number 17, which one of the following is not a tool for quantitative data analysis? So MS Word will not be a tool for quantitative data analysis. Question number 18, if a researcher intends to explore the result of possible factor for the organization of girl student support system development in the college campus, which research method will be most appropriate for this study? So descriptive survey method will be applied. Okay, for the 18th number question, the right answer is option A, descriptive survey method. Now question number 19, what percentage of observation are broadly covered in plus minus 2 standard deviation of a normal probability distribution? So right answer will be 95%. Which one of the following is called non-probabilistic sampling? So cluster sampling, systematic sampling, random sampling, these will be example of probability sampling, and quota sampling नॉन प्रोबेबिलिटी सैम्पलिंग का एग्जाम्पल होगा. सो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 21, इन द फॉलोइंग सीरीज ऑफ नंबर, one number is wrong in this series and this will be 96. okay, so 864, 420, 200, यहाँ पे 92 आएगा, then 40, 16 and 6. Question number 22, the difference between compound and simple interest on a certain sum of money at the interest rate of 10% per annum for 1.5 years is 183 when the interest is compounded semi-annually. What is the sum of money? The right answer will be 24,000, option B. Now 23 number question, table was given, and what will be the number of females above poverty line in the state D if it is known that the population of state D is 7 million? The right answer will be option B, 2.43 million. Question number 24, the information about the students of a college is given below. Members of cricket club only 5% and members of football club 15%, both club 75, non-member 40. So what is the number of students who are members of both of the club? Right answer will be 600, option D. Question number 25, the number of auto parts manufactured by machine E on Monday is what percent more than the number of parts manufactured by machine C on Thursday? Right answer will be 53.33%, option B. 26 number question, SDG goal and goal. Goal number 4, goal number 6, 7 and 30. So goal number 4 is related to quality education. Goal number 6 is related to clean water and sanitation. Goal number 7 is related to affordable and clean energy, and 13 is related to climate action. The right answer will be option A for the 26 number question. Now 27 number question, given below are two statements. Statement 1, the environmental disasters are natural and hence these are also termed as natural hazardous process. Yet I am not agree with this question because there are also some kind of environmental disasters which are the result of human activity that are not natural. Okay. So according to me, this is not completely true statement, but this statement is completely true. Earthquake, tsunami, flood and avalanches are example of natural hazards. So right answer according to me, it will be option D. Statement 1 is false, but statement 2 is true. Now 28 number question, which of the following are effect of global warming? So changes in the rainfall pattern, rise in the sea level, loss of biodiversity, and shrinking of forest cover. 1, 2, 3, 4 are result of effect of global warming. Which of the following cyclone has affected the west coast of India in last few years? If we are talking about the west coast, then right answer will be cyclone Biparjoy and cyclone Taukte. ठीक है, option B 1 and 3. 30 number question, the soil pollutants among the following are pesticides, radioactive waste, municipal waste, mining waste and electronic waste. ठीक है, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all are soil pollutants. Then question number 31 to 35. Number question, which fundamental right is guaranteed by the Constitution of India as mentioned in the paragraph? So option B will be correct, the right to free and compulsory education. Next question, according to the paragraph, why it is important for every individual to acquire knowledge, skill and aptitudes? So right answer will be to discharge duties as a responsible and cooperative citizen. C will be the right answer. 33 question, what did James Madison say about popular government? So right answer will be popular government without popular information is like a farce of tragedy. Option C. Now see 34 number question, what does training for democracy postulate according to the paragraph? Right answer will be a balanced education that includes social virtues, intellectual development and practical skills. Option B will be the correct answer for 34 number question. Now 35 number question, why does the author believe that education policies should be established as an all India basis to ensure uniformity and balanced education across the country? Option B. 36 number question, given u value v, w, x, y and z and what is the value of this? So right answer will be 10, option C. 37 number question, if the compound interest on a certain sum at 16.2/3% for 3 years is 1270 and what is the simple interest on the same sum of at the same rate and for the same period? So right answer will be 1080. 38 number question, complete the letter series. So answer will be B, B, A, B, B, A. Okay. 39 number question, the average of 3 number is given as 44 if the second number is twice as the first and is also thrice the third. What is the large number? 72 will be the large number. Option A, correct answer. Here is 40 number question, 10% of the inhabitants of a village having died of cholera during which 20% remaining inhabitants left the village. The population is then reduced to 5040. What is the original inhabitants? Right answer will be 7000. Option B. 41 number question, which of the following components fall under the passage presage stage of presage processor product model of teaching learning process? Right answer will be content analysis, learning outcome plan and learners motivation. 1, 4, 6. 42 number question, discussion method of teaching does not have the advantage of developing understanding and experiencing, reflective level of experiencing, active learning, but organizations for content flow in a structured sequence. This will not have the advantage of developing, okay, according to discussion method of teaching. So right answer will be option D. 43 number question, a teacher through experience found that learners were able to memorize and recall content if given in brief summarized form. Of the given below, which one is not the implication? So brief summarization will motivate learner for active participation, correct? Brief summarization will improve understanding and conceptualization, but a brief summarization will focus on memorization irrespective of understanding. हम ऑप्शन सी को इसका इस स्टेटमेंट का इम्प्लीकेशन नहीं बोल सकते, दैट्स वाई द राइट आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन सी. नाउ 44 नंबर क्वेश्चन, The online teaching has advantage with reference to use of multimedia system, well structured teaching and objective based teaching. So all of the above are correct. 45 number question, which of the following learner characteristics disturb classroom teaching? So self-confidence, absence of teacher clarification, logical argument for clarification, classroom noise by learners, peer attention seeking argument and access to large amount of digital material on net. क्वेश्चन में आपसे पूछा गया है कि learner characteristics which disturb classroom teaching. So absence of teacher clarification and classroom noise by learners and peer attention seeking argument. Option D 2, 4, 5 will be the right answer. Semantic barrier in communication, it means use of technical or difficult language, it will create semantic barrier. 47 number question, the key purpose of effective communication is effect change, option C. 48 number question, identify the correct sequence of the element in the communication system. So सबसे पहले आएगा speaker, then speech, then receiver and in the end effect. So right answer will be option A, B, A, C, D. Second last question, which of the following is an example of non-verbal communication? So writing on the blackboard, it can be the example of written communication, and speaking on microphone, sending a voice message. These are the example of verbal communication, but nodding head to indicate disagreement. So shaking hands and nodding head, these are the example of non-verbal communication. Option D will be the correct answer. 50 question, encoding in the communication system means converting thoughts or ideas into a message. This will call as encoding. ठीक है, so यहाँ पे 50 क्वेश्चन आपके खत्म होते हैं. आई होप आपको आंसर्स समझ में आ गए होंगे और आपने मैच कर लिए होंगे. सो अपना स्कोर अपने सब्जेक्ट नेम के साथ जरूर लिखना. थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट सेशन में.